Welcome to telaHosting. How to add MX records for custom emails in DirectAdmin. MX records are essential for your emails to work properly. They tell the internet which server handles emails for your domain. They are like the address of your mailbox. When someone sends an email to you, their mail server looks at your domain's MX records and asks, "Where do I deliver this message?" If your MX records are missing, wrong, or outdated, emails will fail, even if your email hosting service is working fine. In this video, I'll show you how to add MX records for custom emails in DirectAdmin. The first thing to do is to log into your DirectAdmin account. Once inside, locate the Account Manager section and click DNS Management. Here you'll see all your domain's current DNS records. Before adding new MX records, you should remove any old one that may conflict. Look for any existing MX records and check if they belong to the email provider you plan to use. Click Delete. This prevents email routing issues. To add your new MX records, you will need two things from your email provider: the MX record value and the priority number. To add your new MX record, click Add Records and in the name field, enter your domain, enter your MX record value, and click Save. If your email provider gives you multiple MX records, repeat the steps for each record. Some email providers require additional DNS records. For telaHosting email, you usually need an A record pointing mail.yourdomain.com to your server IP. And if you're using other providers like Google or Zoho, follow their specific instructions. Once added, your custom email will start browsing through the correct mail server. After saving your new MX records, DNS needs time to update globally, so keep in mind that your email might not work immediately. And that's it. You've added your MX records in DirectAdmin, ensuring that your emails are delivered reliably and your custom email setup works smoothly. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more web hosting tutorials like this. See you in the next video.